how to turn images into videos with Google Flow. Open up Google Flow and click on New Project here at the bottom. Now I'm going to import my character first, which I want to make move. So from the left hand side, I will click on Characters and then Upload. Now I'll just use my previously generated character and I'll show you how this works. Basically, once the character is imported, you can also use one of the presets here. But once the character is imported, you can select a voice for them. So I will just show you this one as an example.
Hi there.
And you can add it to your character. If you want to change anything about the character, you will put it here in character info, and also in the prompt you can, for example, make her hair longer, and it's going to use Nano Banana 2 Lite to make this change. But let's say that I like my character like this. I'm just going to click on done. So now if you want to make this move, then you will use what do you want to create here to the side, so untitled session, and you can edit an image, you can create a few versions, turn concept. So I'm going to click on the plus sign. I will add my character to the prompt. So this is going to be my character. Add it to the prompt and make it say, make her wave and say hello. And I'm going to use the prompt here. Now it's going to begin creating this video for us. So I'm just going to pause and come back once this completes. Okay, so now it's going to ask us if we approve. It's going to cost 15 credits. It's going to create a 10-second video of our character waving and saying hello. So if you want to approve it, you will just click on approve here. It's going to begin generating the video. So we'll see what it manages to come up with, and it's going to use the OmniFlash model. Okay, so it generated, and now it looks like this.
Hello. How are you doing today? Welcome to my living room.
So I think it's quite well. It used the character and it put it to life. So hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.